So we got our first batch of the 3D printed figurines. This is the Chibi female superhero. I'm super excited to show you these because I think they turned out really cool. This one may change a little bit because it's too much. It's a little too similar to a superhero that's out there already. So we don't want any copyright infringement or anything like that. But we really want them to be unique to you if you're ordering. I think it turned out really cool. You can see it there. And then this is the male one. I'm gonna finish the workflows and the software to see how we're gonna be able to automate this. It's US based. So the painter for this is Molly, and I think she did a fantastic job. Maybe we can get some pictures of her during the painting process, but you know, there's only so much you can automate, and you don't really want to automate like that level of craftsmanship. They turned out really cool. I'm happy with it. I think I am gonna move forward with putting these out. See if that guy looks like me. We're probably not gonna make a lot of money of it because painting them are pretty pricey, but I don't know. Maybe you'll get some enjoyment out of it. I know I do out of these two. They turned out really good. The one that I am not gonna put up for sale, the fantasy hero one, because I don't know, his face looks ugly to me. Gosh, what happened there? But I did get it painted. I mean, it is cool for me. I like it. It's fun. But to put these out for production, you know, for the painting, I think that other people would think the price is worth it. For me, it was. I think it's cool. It makes me laugh every time I look at it. But man, his face is ugly. But my face is ugly too. So anyway, guys, the website is 3dprintu.com. Go check it out.